We are in the final weeks as we near the upcoming state and federal elections. So whether you are a student, faculty, staff member, or one of more than 190,000 alumni, or a friend of Bowling Green State University, I encourage you to embrace the power of your voice and cast your vote. This election, like countless others in the past, will draw first-time voters to those who have cast their ballots for decades. Millions of citizens from all walks of life will come together for that sacred duty dating back to 1789. And as a public university for the public good, one of the most fundamental responsibilities we have in service to the public is to encourage civic engagement, voting, and a belief in a democracy that works for each of us. Politics can often be a heated discourse, and no matter who is elected, people will have opinions and feelings about the outcome. Oftentimes, it's your friend in your class or student organization or a colleague or even a family member, perhaps. While this can be challenging to work through, and emotions certainly run high at times, I ask that you listen, learn, and respect one another. We must value what makes us different, but also honor what makes us similar. We all want what's best for our nation. Government, politics, elections, civic engagement, that is all about helping people and creating a brighter future. Now, democracy can be messy. Our framers often talked about this being the great American experiment. It is never perfect, but that is the pursuit that demonstrates the power of your voice and your vote. In elections, candidates win and lose. It is the voters who show up, who decide those representing us, who then decide law, policy, judiciary appointments, and the list kind of goes on. Those who seek office work for your vote. It's a process, and the electorate clearly has a wide range of views of the best path forward. However, we must always remember that it's our collective work that shapes tomorrow. It's how we have redefined the impossible, and it's how we have made so much progress. Recognizing, of course, there is so much more work still to do. That starts with a vote, your vote. Whether it's at an early polling location, by mail, or in person on this November 3rd, make a plan to have your voice heard in this election. Learn more today at bgsu.edu/BGSU votes. I, Ziggy Zola.